Welcome back to Oh My Car channel. Rumor, 2026 Hyundai Palisade, redesign and advanced technology. The Hyundai Palisade, Hyundai's flagship SUV, is rumored to undergo a significant update for the 2026 model year. Although no official confirmation has been made, various rumors suggest that the updates will include substantial changes to its exterior design, enhanced technological features, and the possible introduction of electrified variants. Rumors indicate that the 2026 Hyundai Palisade will adopt a more futuristic and aggressive design language compared to its predecessor. Hyundai's signature large grille is said to be updated with a more modern pattern, accompanied by sleek LED lights seamlessly integrated into the front. Aerodynamic elements are also expected to be more prominent, delivering a sporty yet efficient appearance. This new design is anticipated to give the Palisade a premium look, keeping it competitive in the luxury SUV segment. Inside, Hyundai is expected to focus on improving comfort and technology. Reports suggest that the 2026 Palisade will feature a larger infotainment touchscreen, potentially reaching 15 inches, integrated with Hyundai's latest software. Connectivity technologies such as 5G integration, over-the-air (OTA), software updates, and an AI-based virtual assistant are likely to become standard. Additionally, the interior materials are rumored to include environmentally friendly options. Reflecting Hyundai's commitment to sustainability, the third-row seating is also said to offer more spaciousness, making the Palisade an ideal choice for larger families. Furthermore, features such as ambient lighting, a premium audio system, and a panoramic sunroof are rumored to be upgraded, enhancing the luxury driving experience. One of the most intriguing rumors is the potential introduction of hybrid or fully electric versions of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. With the ongoing trend toward electrification, Hyundai is expected to offer more eco-friendly powertrain options. The hybrid version may combine a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver better fuel efficiency without compromising performance. For certain markets, a fully electric Palisade might also be introduced as part of the Ioniq family, utilizing Hyundai's eGMP platform, which supports fast charging and long-range capabilities. Hyundai is also rumored to equip the 2026 Palisade with the latest safety technologies, including Level 3 driver assistance systems. These features may include more advanced lane centering capabilities, AI-based adaptive cruise control, and enhanced automatic collision avoidance. These updates will ensure that the Palisade remains one of the safest SUVs on the market. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is expected to be unveiled in mid-2025 and go on sale by the end of the year. The base price is likely to be slightly higher than the current model, reflecting the range of improvements offered. If these rumors hold true, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade could become one of the most highly anticipated SUVs, combining modern design, cutting-edge technology, and electrification options to meet the needs of future consumers.